Hi everyone! Today we meet again in learning phonics with Miss Prilly. Now we're going to learn two letters and we have two beginning sound of these letters. The first letter is E. Now can you mention the E sound? Can you tell me how is the E sound? Yes, E is for egg, egg. E is for elephant, elephant. What else? How about envelope? E is for envelope, envelope. E is for envelope. Now can you repeat again? Good job everyone. Now Miss Prilly have one more letter. Let's see. Yeah. And ta-da! This is letter F. And how's the sound of letter F? Good job. The sound of letter F is f, f, f. F is for fish, f, fish, f, fish. F is for fish, f, f. Can you mention the things that have f as a beginning sound? F is for frog, frog, frog. F is for frog, Good job. Now let's go back again to our first letter. What letter did we learn just now? Yes, letter E and letter F. And how's the sound of the letter E? Yes, How about the sound of the letter F? Yes, f. Now it's time for you to do your work and let's find out the thing around your house that have and f as the beginning sound. Are you ready for your next activity? Good job! I know you can do it, guys. Bye-bye!